What up everyone, it's Jeremy here with Krawler. We are going to be pushing a lot of information your way about a ton of products, a ton of new products over the next coming year or so. What we want to introduce you today is the new Adventure X control arm package and systems for the Wrangler JK, JL, and JT applications. If you're not aware of what our adventure joints are, there's a great informational video on our YouTube channel called Semi-Spherical Joints, and it's a great comparison of the Adventure series joint from Krawler versus the competition in that series. The Adventure series joint features a vulcanized rubber center, so you have OEM vibration isolation, tons of misalignment, 35 degrees out of most joints, free rotating pivot sleeve. It's a fantastic joint for the consumer that is going to want to have a great riding vehicle, no maintenance, with unparalleled off-road performance. The joints themselves actually have more off-road capability than 70% or better the rebuildable spherical joints that are on the market today. The Adventure X control arm package gives you all 8 adjustable control arms with the Adventure Series joint, so you have high off-road ability, OEM ride quality, vibration isolation, and adjustability factors for setting your caster and your pinion angle to get your vehicle dialed into your liking. Just like their big cousins, the X Factor arms, they have the high clearance bends in the lower control arms, and they're made from solid alloy steel backed by our abuse-proof lifetime warranty. For Jeep, JT, Gladiator specific, the Adventure X control arms are offered in the OEM configuration with adjustable control arms as shown, or for gas specific Gladiators, we do offer the true game changer for Gladiators, your bolt-in triangulated 4-link in Adventure X Pro. Now, this can be added to a diesel Gladiator, but there is some substantial work involved with relocating the def tank because it is right in the way. The components fit in exactly like the gas models, but again, the def tank is in the way, and that is an undertaking that you will have to do. But nothing compares to the Pro configuration in Gladiators. It removes the crosstalk of the front and rear track bars. Obviously, this is the OEM rear upper control arm length. The Pro X version of the control arm length is approximately 30% longer, reducing the pinion changes through the suspension cycles, and obviously the huge benefit of keeping the axles centered while driving the vehicle. Again, a huge game changer for gas Gladiator applications. You can buy Adventure X in component form as you are upgrading your vehicle, or you can buy Adventure X mid-arm complete systems with Krawler tried and true triple rate coils front and rear for application specific, or Gladiator also gets a quad rate rear coil. You get your coil spring bow correction, your roll center correction, Pro sway bar disconnects, or no limits links for Rubicon specific applications. The complete systems address your needs from start to finish, or again, you can do it a la carte. The Adventure X components and or complete systems are available for 2007 through present Jeep Wrangler applications, all applications, 4xe, 392, regular gas applications, we've got those covered, as well as Jeep Gladiator JT applications. The Adventure X components and systems are by far the best performing maintenance-free control arm package for your Jeep application. And if you don't believe us, again, check out the semi-spherical joint video on the Krawler YouTube channel. That will show you how the Adventure Series Krawler joints stack up to the competition. If you have any questions about any of these products, please check out our website, give us a call, send us an email. We are here to help you build your dream Jeep.